Hey class, today I'm going to be walking you through our phonics page 187 and 188. So it has a picture of like a little turtle on it here. And our directions say mark the vowels and match. So this is pretty easy. What they're wanting you to do is to mark the vowels and then you're going to match it. Is it short I, long A, long E, or short E? So remember, when you see this symbol, that means short. When you see this symbol, that means long. Okay, so let's try, they already did cake for you. Let's try hat. One vowel. So my one vowel rule says that that's going to be short. So now all I have to do is match short A to short A and draw a line. All right, let's take a look at the word beak. I have two vowels. My first vowel says it's long sound because that's what the two vowel rule says. The first vowel says it's long sound. The second one is silent. So now I'm looking for long E. So you're going to look over here and find long E. And you're going to draw a line from this word to the long E. Okay, let's try our next word. I have the word net. How many vowels do you have? A, E, I, O, or U? Okay, I see my vowel E. I see one. The one vowel rule says that if I have one vowel, is it going to be short or long? One vowel rule says if I have one vowel in a word, that the vowel is usually short. So I would mark it with a smile. Now, do you see this short E over here? I do. I see it right here. So I'm going to match this up. Okay? Now, my last word is fix. Do you see your vowel? How many vowels do you have? One vowel. All right, so is it going to be short or long? Okay, the one vowel rule says that if I have one vowel in a word, that vowel will usually be short, and to mark it with a smile. Now I'm looking to match up this short I over here. Do you see it? It's right there, so I'm going to draw a line from this word to the short I. Okay, so basically you're going to do the same thing with these words on the other side of the paper. Let me move it over real quick. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing. You're going to mark, in your way, you're going to mark the vowels, and then you're going to match that first vowel with the vowel that it matches over here, just like we did on this side, okay? Okay, I'm going to scoot the paper up and show you the directions for the bottom part. Let me erase this real quick. Okay, so this part of your paper, the direction says draw a picture for each sentence. Now, we're not worried really about how well you can draw. That's okay, don't stress about that. We just want to see, can you read the sentence, okay? So actually, let me push it up a little bit more so you can see it. Okay, so let's break down this first sentence. My first word has one vowel, so I know that vowel will be short. And then I have two M's, so let's sound this out. Mom, mom, mom. Okay, let's look at the next word. I have one vowel, so will it be short or long? It'll be short because my one vowel rule says if there's one vowel in a word, then that vowel will usually say it's short sound. And then I have two L's. Remember, that's a double consonant. Whenever I have a double consonant, even though there's two of them, it just says it sound one time. So, ul, will, mom, will. Okay, let's look at the next word. All right, I see a special sound. Do you see it? SM. Can you remember what SM says? Try it out. Sm. Okay? Now I see two vowels. There's that sneaky E. What is the first vowel going to say? It's short sound or it's long sound? Long sound. So I'd mark it with the long sign. Second vowel is silent. Now let's try to sound out the word. I know that long I says I. Smile. 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 Mom will smile. Sight word at. Mom will smile at. Now I have this word. You should recognize it, but if you remember, E at the end of a very short word all by itself is a special sound. And so it says E. Instead of it being one vowel and it saying like you would think that it would, because it's a special sound, it's going to do something special. So in this case, it's going to say E. So that would make this word me. Me. So let's read it again. Mom will smile at me. And then you're just going to draw a picture of that up here. Now, Miss Watkins is not a good artist, and that's okay. You don't have to be a good artist either. But just try your best to draw something up here. So I'm going to do Mom. Oh, and she's so pretty. Look at her long, pretty hair. Yep, and she's going to be a stick person because I can't draw. Maybe she needs a dress. There you go. She has a dress on. There's Mom. She's so pretty. And there she is smiling at me. And let's pretend I'm a kid. There we go. There we go. Put a shirt on. Mom will smile at me. Okay, and that's all you do. Now we're going to do the same thing on the next rectangle. Let me scoot it over a little bit because it looks like you can't see it that well. All right, let's look at the first word. One vowel. So my one vowel rule says that'll be short. That vowel will be short. Ah. So let's sound it out. Can he, there's that special sound with the E at the end that says it's long sound because it's special. Can he, now I've got two special sounds here. Can you recognize them? Do you see them? FR, and then Y standing all by itself at the end of a short word. So if Y stands all by itself at the end of a short word, it's considered a special sound, and it's going to say I. So then this word would be fry. Can he fry an? One vowel. So that's going to be a short E, which says double consonant, two G's, so it just says one sound, G. Can he fry an egg? Question mark, because I'm asking you a question. Can he fry an egg? Okay, now I really can't draw this. So, if you can't draw, that's okay, because it can't be any worse than mine. I'm going to draw, let's see. Here's my pan, and here's my egg. I mean, you really wouldn't know that that was a pan with an egg if I didn't tell you. Can he fry an egg? Look, there's the heat coming off of it. Okay, all right. Can he fry an egg? And that's how you do your phonics paper. Easy peasy. All right, guys, bye. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at our handwriting sheet today. That doesn't look like it's fitting very well. Just scoot it over. Hang on just a second. Okay, that's a little bit better. We have the letter M today, so we're just going to review the letter M because it can be a little tricky for some people. So let's take a look at how to write a letter M, just as a reminder. We're going to go up to the top of the blue roof or blue ceiling here. We're going to go down to the red carpet. Then we're going to come way over here and we're going to draw another stick down to the red carpet. All right, and then we are going to go down and down and make them meet in the middle. kind of like a V, okay? Now, my lowercase m is a lot easier. I'm going to go to this little blue dotted line here, and I'm going to draw a stick straight down to the red carpet, and then 2 humps. The humps will touch the blue dotted line and then down to the red carpet. Pick your pencil back up, touch the blue dotted line, and down to the red carpet. All right, then I'm going to have to do it 2 times on my own. So the first capital M will start on the red dot, and then your lowercase m will go on the next red dot. So let's do a capital M. Start at the top and go down to the red carpet, go over a little bit and do another stick down to the red carpet, and then I'm going to make them meet in the middle. I'm going to go up to the top, down to the red carpet, pick my pencil back up, go to the top, and down to the red carpet. Now lowercase m is a little easier. I'm going to go to the blue dotted line where that little red dot is. I'm going to draw a stick straight down. And then 2 humps, and I want the top of my humps to touch that little blue dotted line. And then I want it to stop on the red carpet. Pick my pencil back up. The second hump touches the blue dotted line and stops at the red carpet. Okay? Now this is crooked, so I'm going to straighten it back out. Okay? If you see that it doesn't quite look right, erase it and try it again, okay? All right, now I need another capital M. Start at the top of where that blue dot is. Right up top where the blue line is, the blue roof. I'm going to go down to the red carpet. I'll come over a little bit, go back up to the top, and go down to the red carpet. Then I'm going to connect them together. So I will go up to the top, touch this stick, go down to the red carpet, then I'll go up to the top, touch this stick, down to the red carpet. Now lowercase m is just going to be a stick down to the red carpet under that blue dotted line. Hump, hump, making sure that the top of the humps touch the blue dotted line, and the bottom of each one of these humps is going to stop at the red carpet, okay? Now I'm going to trace my sentence. Mike has a mule, and then I will write the sentence. Mike has a mule, trying to make my sentence look just like the letters that are on top of it, okay? So M, all right, lowercase I, lowercase k, remember starts all the way up here at the where the blue ceiling is, and it goes all the way down to the red carpet, but then the little kickstand part is going to start under this blue dotted line. In and out. Okay, lowercase e looks kind of like a C, but then I shut the gate. Mike. Now I'm going to make sure that I have space between my words. So Mike, then there's a space, and then the next word has. So I have a lowercase h. It'll start at the very top of the red roof. I'm sorry, like the blue ceiling, blue roof. And then it'll go down to the red carpet. And then right here where this blue dotted line is, I'm going to make my hump touch that blue dotted line and go down to the red carpet. Lowercase a will be a circle underneath that blue dotted line with the stick right beside it, and the stick needs to touch it. And then my S will touch the blue dotted line, come down, around, and back. Mike has A. I'm going to leave a space in between. I'm going to write the letter A. Remember, you want that stick to be as straight as you can get it, and you want it to touch the side of your circle. Now another space, because I'm going to write a new word, mule. Lowercase m is a stick. Hump, hump. Lowercase u, go up and touch the blue dotted line, and then a little stick beside it. And then my lowercase l will go up to the blue ceiling, and it will go straight down to the red carpet. And then my E just looks like a C, close the gate. And do not forget your period. Mike has a mule. Now that I've traced the letters, I'm going to try to write it myself down here using these red dots as a guide. So I know that my word Mike, my first word, is going to start on this first red dot. And I'm going to try to make it straight. It's kind of hard to make it straight with a marker, but we'll do my best. There's my blue dotted line. My. Okay, space. Next red dot. There's my lowercase h, my lowercase a, and my lowercase s. Mike has, if I go under my red carpet, I'm going to erase a little bit. Mike has a, my next word will go on the next red dot. There's my blue dotted line. You can't really see it on the video. Okay? A. Okay, and my last word, mule. So make sure you keep a space. And then you're going to write the next word on that red dot. There's a stick. Hump. Hump. U. L starts all the way at the top where the blue ceiling is and goes down to the red carpet. And then of course my lowercase e and period. Okay? Now you'll do the same thing with can Mike make him go? Question mark, and you can't see it on the video very well, but at the end of that is a question mark. Remember, I use a question mark when I'm asking a question. So remember, our punctuation marks are periods, question marks, and exclamation marks. This is a question mark because I'm asking a question. Can Mike make him go? Can Mike make him go? That's a question. And then after you trace that and take your time, very carefully trace it, you're going to write that same sentence on the line below. Then remember to flip it over and you're going to do the same thing. Remember, if you forget how to write a letter, open up your B book and there is the alphabet and it will show you which direction and how we make each letter. Okay? Love you guys.